First of all, don't come for me. This was a failed rod set. I know. But anyways, hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show y'all a really quick video on what I use to do my high puffs. So right now I'm just spraying a little bit of water, putting a little bit of leave-in conditioner on my hair. And I'm just putting some gel all around my edges and in the back of my head. Now I'm just gonna smooth that up. If you do want your hair to be swooped, right now is the time to do it before you put your hair in a puff. So the first thing that I use to do a high puff is my hair ties from Swirly Curly. So you can put as many together as you want, or you could just use one. It's just really your preference on what's best for your hair. So I put it up in the back to where I want it to be, and then I just pull it to get it to exactly where I want to. And then once you're done with it, you just go ahead and snap it together. It's so easy. And that's it. Like, it doesn't bother my hair at all or nothing. And you can make your hair tighter or as loose as you want. And then I just go ahead and shape it to how I want. And that is it. The next thing I use is my stretchy hair tie that I got from Walmart. I really cannot remember the name of it. Just know it came 2 in a pack and it's 88 cents. And I just put it around my hair like I did with my high bun. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check my previous post. And I just let all my hair through and just have it as tight as I want it to. And I just go ahead and shape it. And that's it for that hair tie. But I wanted to come back to the Swirly Curly and show you how it looks with just one. So I just put it up to where I want my high puff to be and snap it, and that's it. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know if you have tried this before, or let me know what you use for your high puffs. See you on the next video.